What's going on, guys? Joe Dickinson with Responsive Agents, and in this short video I wanted to demo our text agent. So this is the agent that basically can go ahead and respond to any text messages that you have come in, or Instagram DMs, any sort of messaging software. We can go ahead and hook, or most messaging softwares I should say, we can hook this agent into it. So for example, right here, we've got a lead coming in. Hi Rachel, it's Leo from Shoreline Tile. Saw a request for a kitchen retile. Got a couple quick questions so we can get you a quote. Sound good? So this is someone who filled out like a web form, and if it could be that, like if you have a spot on your website that people can fill out a form, you can have a text agent respond back with the intent to have appointments being booked or requesting a call back, so you can use it in that form or fashion. You can also have it where if you're running ads and you're getting like Instagram DM leads, or you're getting people to text you, you can have an agent take over there. That is our text agent. We do all of it. So if you got questions on it, just book a demo and we'll talk more. But in a nutshell, I want to show you an actual agent. So the moment that you get activated, we're going to build this agent for you, and you're going to have a dashboard that looks like this. This is where your agent is built. We can build multiple agents. So for example, if we go over to Conversation AI and go to agents list, these are agents we've built for a roofer. Now we wanted two agents here. We wanted one that basically just talks to the person and just says, hey, someone on the team will call you back. So the whole goal is to just request or confirm a call, I should call it. This agent's goal is to actually schedule an appointment with that person, because this roofer gave us their scheduling like calendar, and we can go ahead and actually schedule an appointment, or the agent can schedule an appointment with that person pulling from that company's availability. So it's pretty cool. Let me show you this one though right here. So inside of here, we can train the bot, we can feed it all your company information, we can hook up. We want this agent to go ahead and talk to your leads via SMS, Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, live chat, WhatsApp, the little chat box maybe on your website, or if you don't have one, you can now add one. It's pretty cool. So if we go over into bot training right here, this is an example of a conversation I just had that I have it pre-filled so you don't have to watch me going back and forth. But check it out. This is a really common question these roofers get. Hey, I'm looking to get a free roof inspection. And then the bot, right, which you can name, comes back and says, thanks for reaching out to Joe's Roofing Solutions. We'd be happy to help with a roof inspection. Can you tell me a little bit more about what's going on with your roof? Or is this just a routine check? Also, can I get this information, right? Well, I think my roof's getting old. It's starting to get shiny and granules are falling on the ground after it rains. Got it. Sounds like your roof could use a closer look. Can I get your information? Here it is. Thank you, Joe. Just to confirm, is this the best number to call you back at? I noted blah, blah, blah. Here's the address. I'll make sure someone reaches out. So the goal of this agent is just to basically buy some time, right? To have then the company reach out. So if you guys are missing texts or not responding immediately, speed delete is so important, right? If you don't get right back to the person, they're going to a competitor. You can eliminate that with this. Now, if you're like, dude, can the agent just schedule a call or a free inspection for me? Of course, no matter what it is that you do, if it's schedule an appointment or schedule a free roof inspection or whatever it is that your business does, we can go ahead and have the agent pull from your calendar and go ahead and schedule for you. So anyways, pretty cool stuff. If you want this, go ahead and just book a demo. We can get one of these hooked up for you. Powerful stuff. With all that being said, that's all I got for you on the agent side. And if you want to look and hear more about the voice agents, just go watch the video on the voice agent tab right here. All right, see ya.